In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on XTB. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside their trader, you want to go to your market watch here, and you want to click on this arrow over here on the very right hand side, and this will pop up a list of different things you can trade, and down here, as you can see, it's going to say stocks. Now, click on stocks, and here there's going to be a list of what you can trade. So for me, there's stocks CFD. I can click on that, this arrow, and then here I have different countries. So I'm going to scroll down. Of course, it's up to you, whichever one you want to trade. You can choose that, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to go to US down here. And as you can see, there's going to be a bunch of different stocks, okay? So let's say I want to use Apple for this tutorial. I can just click on it over here. It's going to pop up kind of this trading panel. I could do right click over here and actually open the chart so I can see everything on the chart. And if I want to open up the trading panel, I can just double click on the specific symbol. And as you can see here, I now have this trading box. Now in here, I can then go ahead and do either a market order or a stop or limit order. So as you can see here, you can select volume, you can select different things, take stop losses, take profits, etc. And then you can just do sell or buy, or you could do a stop or limit order here. You can select your price, you could do the expiration date and time, you could select your volume, contract volume, margin, etc. And then again, you could do stop losses and take profits. And whenever you are then ready, you could go ahead and start buying and selling stocks via this button over here. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.